Get ready to experience the future of smartphones with Samsung's iconic designs. The Galaxy S Ultra series is known for its sleek, square shape and sharp corners, while the regular Galaxy S phones boast rounded corners. But Tipster Ice Universe suggests that the Galaxy S25 Ultra may break the mold and surprise us with a new look. Samsung is prioritizing comfort and ergonomics, making their phones easier to hold and use. But will the Galaxy S25 Ultra have rounded or sharp corners? Only time will tell. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's sharp corners can be uncomfortable without a case. Fortunately, Samsung is addressing these issues and refining their designs. Breaking news from Korea: Samsung may revolutionize their Galaxy S25 series by partnering with MediaTek to power their devices with Dimensity processors. This shocking revelation suggests that the Galaxy S25 lineup might feature not two, but three distinct chipset variants: MediaTek's Dimensity 9400, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, and Samsung's Exynos 2050. But why the sudden change? Insiders hint at Qualcomm's looming price increase for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and the underwhelming production success of the Exynos 2500. This bold move could lead to country-specific variants, offering consumers a wider range of choices. The plot thickens. While Samsung hasn't made a final decision, rumors suggest they're considering a bold move that could shake up the smartphone industry. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's steep price tag of $260 per unit has Samsung exploring alternative options to power their future devices. In contrast, the 8 Gen 3 is expected to cost between $190 and $200, making it a more attractive option. But here's the twist: the Exynos 2015's production success rate is currently at 40%, a far cry from the 60% required for mass production by August. Will Samsung overcome this hurdle and revolutionize their chipset strategy? The stakes are high, and the fate of their future smartphones hangs in the balance. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story. If Samsung's Exynos production rates continue to lag behind, and Qualcomm's next chip comes with a hefty price tag, it may be time for Samsung to shake things up by bringing MediaTek into the mix. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts on this potential game changer in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more insightful content on the latest smartphone trends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Peace out, and we'll catch you in the next one.